Hello students, again we are meeting to learn more about computers. Okay, now we will learn in this chapter. Now we are going to learn the second chapter, that is working with Windows 7. Now what is Windows? What is 7? All this we will see in detail. Now Windows is an operating system. Operating system means what? It is a software or it is a program which is there on the computer which looks after the working of a computer. That is how to take the input, process the input, gives the output, all this working and all other peripherals also it will see. That is operating system. Now this Windows operating system was developed by a Microsoft company. This company was founded by Bill Gates. He is the founder of this Microsoft company. Now, this Windows, why this got the name Windows? Because all the applications in this Windows operating system are getting open in a rectangular frame, that is like a window, and through window also we can see many things. So through this we are learning many more things. We can see different applications, different elements also. Okay, now the first edition, the first time it got developed in 1995. So the first edition of Windows operating system is called Windows 95. Okay, and in the due course, after 2-3 years gap, it got some development, some advancement in the software. So that is Windows 98 is there, Windows 7, Windows 2000, 2003, then Windows Vista, and so many out of this. But Windows 2000, Windows NT and Windows 2003, this is specifically used for networking areas. And now whereas Windows 95, 98, Windows Me, Windows XP and Windows Vista are used for the single user. Means this is used for by the single user. Okay, now we are going to learn Windows 7, this operating system. Okay, so the first screen which you will get displayed after opening this operating system, after starting the computer, is looking like this. This is called a desktop. Now this desktop we are going to learn in detail afterwards. But first of all, we'll see the features of Windows 7. See, earlier Windows operating systems are there, but because of having some new advancement, this is getting more popular as a operating system, Windows 7. See here, you can have the Windows this media player facility is available. You can record the sound, you can record your voice also, and so many sound recorders also available. You can see, record the videos also, and there is a good network facilities also available in this. Now the advancement is because the programs developed in this for this operating systems are much more faster, so the execution is faster, and it became user friendly. Good connectivity throughout the world is there because of using this operating system. So this is getting more and more popular, and this operating system we are going to learn in detail. Now the features, if you will see, it is easy to understand, easy to learn, and you can play music on this in earlier, and the taskbar also, it is very user friendly, and the background also you can change for the computers. All these features are there. Now we will see the desktop. Now this is desktop screen, the first screen after starting the computer which you are getting, that is called the desktop screen. If you will see on the desktop screen, there are small pictures. Those pictures are called icons. It is representing, it is a graphical representation of the application or the program stored on the computer. Correct? And it is listed on the front screen. Why it is so? See, this desktop screen is compared with our desktop where we are sitting for work or for study. Whatever things are necessary at that time for studying, the students used to keep in front of them on the tabletop. Correct? That is, or the desk where they are writing, near that or on that they used to keep. The same idea is behind this desktop. Means what? Whatever files or programs or applications which we required frequently or which we want to open many a times, they are kept on the front screen, that is called desktop. And all other programs which are there, applications are there, we are keeping under the start button. Because if you'll click on the start button, the menu will pop up and you will get the list of items which are there, list of applications or the softwares available on the computer. Can you see the start button here at the bottom of the screen? On a small strip there is a round button that is called a start button. Okay, now we have seen this, what is desktop, what are icons, and what is start button. Now remaining elements we will see. See here the first icon, that is recycle bin. Now what is recycle bin? It is, we can compare this with a dustbin. See, every house, every office is having a dustbin. Whatever trash is there, whatever unwanted things are there, we can keep in the dustbin. Same way, whatever files are not required, whatever videos or pictures are not required, we can keep in the recycle bin. From there, we can destroy it, we can delete it permanently also. And from there, if we want to retrieve it, if we want to take it back, that is also possible. So this is called recycle bin. See, out of this, some icons we are going to learn what it means. Now before that, it is see taskbar. At the bottom, taskbar is located on the desktop screen. On this taskbar, there are few icons on the left hand side and few things on the right hand side also. On the left hand side, see, can you see the start button and few more icons? These icons also giving the shortcut way to open the files or programs. Now on the right hand side, that is called navigation pan, navigation area, because here you can see the date and time. Okay, the current date and time you can see there. You can change the date and time also from there, and you can see the drives which are there, or any other hard disk or hard drive, other portable drive if you have attached to the computer. The net connection also you can check from here. The volume control button is also there. So many other things are there. Now at the bottom of this screen, it is given shortcut icons. Means what? The icons or the pictorial representation of the application is there. Now this shortcut icons directly, it is giving the direct route to open the application. Now suppose Microsoft Word, we want to use it frequently, we can make a shortcut icon of this Microsoft Word on this desktop. If you will click on that, directly it will open Microsoft Word. Otherwise, you have to click on the start button, then go to all programs, then open Microsoft Office folder, and from that you can open Microsoft Word. So instead of going through long way, directly you can open through this shortcut icons. Here see the arrow going upward from on the left hand side. It is the sign that it is a shortcut icon. Here for Google, shortcut icon is the shown, Word a shortcut icon is shown. Correct? Now on this desktop we have seen many different icons. Out of these few icons we are going to learn my computer or this PC. This icon shows that whatever drives, whatever files are available, or whatever how it is getting connected, means how it got connected to network computers, that is also shown in my computer. or this PC. Now second one is application icon. Which different applications are there stored on computer? It is in the graphical way it is shown here. Corel Draw, the name is also there, and the icon for the Corel Draw is also shown. Okay, these are called application icons, like Word, Excel, all the icons we can have on the desktop. Now document icon. Whenever you are having document files, that is those Word files, it is showing this icon. So looking at this icon, you will come to know these are the document files. Networking files, which are networking files, which are related, the files which are related to network, those are shown with networking files. Okay, so all these different types of icons you can see. After that, now we are going to learn what is Windows Explorer. Means what? Explorer, explore, the word meaning of explore is to find out something. Now explorer means whenever we want to find the files or folders from computer. So for this Windows application, it is called Windows Explorer. Okay, now first thing, you can open the Windows Explorer in different ways. First thing, you have to write in the start button, you have to click. Beside start button there is a search option. In that search option you can type Windows Explorer, so it will show you. Now instead of that, suppose you want to click on this PC. Whatever different things are available on this PC you want to find out through Windows Explorer, you have to click on from the desktop icons, you have to click on this PC icon. You will get this Windows Explorer screen. We are going to learn the detail about the Windows Explorer screen. Okay. Now see, whenever the file this window is getting opened for Windows Explorer, it is getting divided into two parts, left pane and right pane. Now here, what is there on the left pane and what is there on the right pane? On the left pane, what different folders and subfolders are available, it is shown with the drive also, correct? And on the right hand side, detail of each folder which is highlighted, of that folder details are shown. Again, more folders in that or files in that on the right side, that is right pane. Have you understood? Now more parts of this Windows Explorer screen we will see. First of all, whenever you will get open the Windows Explorer screen, it is showing tabs. All of you are aware, tabs along with its groups and the commands, that is shown on the top first. After that, it is back, forward and up buttons. If you want to go back side, if you want to click on back, suppose you have clicked on the first folder, you have seen the files, then you have clicked on the 10th folder, you have seen the files, and now you are on the 5th folder and you are seeing the files, and if you will click on back button, it will go to 10th folder, whatever it was shown earlier. Address bar is showing which main folder is open. Okay, now search bar. Suppose in the main folder also there are many files and folders, and if you want to search, which is not means if you can't see those files or folders on the screen, somewhere either you have to scroll the screen or use the search box. Now navigation pane, I told the left pane is called the navigation pane also. Files and folders, see, files and folders also you can see. Okay, yellow with the background yellow, it is a folder, and files according to the application, the files icon changes. Now suppose you want to view the content of a folder. Okay, so how to see the content of a folder? For that, you have to click on the folder from the desktop, maybe through Windows Explorer or through from the desktop also, and simply double click on that folder. The folder will get open and you can see whatever folders or files are available. See here, I have shown we are clicking on the folder. Double click, you have to bring the mouse pointer on the folder click on that, double click on that, and the folder will get open and you can see the files. Okay, viewing contents of a file. Now suppose assume that you are in a folder and in that folder you are having 3 different files. Go to one particular file, select that file, double click that file, it will get open and you can see the content of a file. So we have seen the contents of a file and folder. Now suppose you want to copy a folder or a file in Windows Explorer as well as outside on the desktop. The steps are same. Okay, copy means one more copy you are going to make. You are not going to move it, you are not going to cut it. Cut and move is similar, but copying is something different. Now see here, one file I am selecting. After selecting the file, you have to click mouse right button, click on copy option. Either you do this way or select the file and press Ctrl+C to copy the file, and then select the folder where you want to paste it, where you want to keep it. Click on that folder, double click on that folder, and then go to that folder and then again do mouse right click, click on paste option or click on the paste command from the home tab clipboard group, or press Ctrl V, the file will get pasted or the folder will get pasted. Here can you see that file has come? The file will remain on the desktop also, or it will come in the folder also. So you can do directly also, and through Windows Explorer also you can do it. Now suppose we want to rename a file, means we want to change the name of the file. How to do that? First of all, select the file by doing single click. If you will do double click, it will get open. Don't open that. Only do single click so the file will get highlighted. After highlighting the file, do mouse right click, the drop down menu, the options you will get displayed. After that, click on the word rename. After that, the original name, it will get highlighted, and that there you have to give the new name. Type the new name and press enter key to confirm the name. So you can see the new name of the file. Now all this we have learned. Okay, but suppose to select a consecutive group of files, means which are followed by one another, those files all together we want to copy. Okay, for that what to do? We want to select those files. What to do? For that, select the first file first, then press the shift key, keep it pressed, and go on moving, go on dragging your mouse pointer on those remaining file names. So all the files will get selected which you want, which are in the consecutive manner. Understood? Now it is shown properly here on the screen. Correct? Now in this chapter we have learned so many things with files and folders. First thing, we have started with Windows. What is Windows? That is a operating system. This operating system got developed by Microsoft company, and this Microsoft company was founded by Bill Gates. And now in this chapter we are going to learn Windows 7. This operating system means this edition, Windows 7. Okay, now in this we have seen the features, why it is important, because it is very fast. Good global connectivity is there through this operating system, and many new features, that is advanced calculator is there, advanced wordpad is there, good notepad features are there, and then we can have Windows media player also, where we can record our sound, we can copy the CDs, or we can copy the songs on the CDs, from the CDs to our computers, and so many things. Correct? Now all of you have to learn this. In the remaining chapter we will learn more about Windows 7. Okay, by then Thank you.